So the Pasture variety trial we're standing in here at the moment from PGG Agriscience is a screen of different varieties of herbs, legumes and also ryegrass and brassicas. So they sowed those in the beginning of May, and we basically sprayed the herbicide treatments in early June. So what we're going to see here today is quite a representative level of crop selectivity. The weeds that we're seeing on site here, principally because we're still relatively early autumn, dead nettle and singing nettle. So they're quite the prominent ones at the moment. The other common weeds we get on site are climbing buckwheat, south thistle, prickly lettuce, wild oats and phalaris. They're the key ones. So with the treatments here in the pasture trial, we have 11 treatments, which is just basically fitting into 40 metres. So we have a 3 metre hand boom, so we like to fit in a couple of untreated strips in there. There is an irrigator drag line up the middle. As we said to you, we gave this an initial irrigation to kick it off. So with the 11 treatments, we're essentially looking at Broadstrike and its mixing partners, and having a look at how those have an effect on the different species of legumes, herbs, clovers. In terms of the 11 treatments, there is no real surprises occurring. We're sort of understanding what we know. Broadstrike at 25 or 50 grams, whilst is not registered on chicory, is very selective with uptake, and that's one of the common things we're seeing year on year with these sort of events. In terms of herbs, plantain is a bit erratic to the mixtures, but again, please go and have a look at the different videos and investigate those. But for me, it looks promising that it's not hyper selective to the various herbicide options, and also Thistrol Gold is looking quite selective over the two herbs of chicory and plantain at the two different rates we used. So of the 11 treatments, probably the things I'd be looking to do is base a treatment off Broadstrike, because essentially that gives you outstanding marshmallow control and brassica control. So if you've got turnips, you've got mustards, it's going to have really good activity on those. It's about what you're adding, it's mixing and matching with Broadstrike, and that's the really important thing. So when you've got mixtures of herbs in there, probably you need to watch, really do need to watch what you mix with as a mixing partner, because the different partners do actually hurt the herbs in different sort of levels, so please have a look at that. But generally in the Hunter Valley, what we're seeing is 2,4-DB being used as a mixing partner, because that's helping you pick up your thistles, and also there appears to be some synergy between Broadstrike and 2,4-DB when they're used together.